Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Woo! Here, guys. Fish on, guys. Woo! Snook, guys. Haha. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah, guys. Get this lure out. Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fish it. Fish on, guys. Got him. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Big fish. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big barrel. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Aha. Fish on. Got him. Aha. Jamaican shore fishing. Come here, baby. You're mine. Woo! Haha. The sun is about to come out. Here, guys. Look at that cast, guys. Yep, lovely cast. Fish on, guys. Jamaica shore fishing. Fish on. Nothing yet, guys. Let's test in these waters, guys, and see what we can pick up. Fish on, guys. Fish on. We got something. Jamaican shore fishing. Here, guys. Haha. Barra hunting, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, you can get up! Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Making shore fishing, guys. Shore fishing. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Fish on. Nice barra this morning, guys. Barra hunter. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, people. Seriously. Jamaican shore fishing. Let's get this guy in here. Let's get him released. Come on, baby.
Oh my God!
Come on, baby.
I'm telling you! Oh, baby Jack! Come here! Look! Yo, what's up? Where's Jack? I should have taken you up, Jack. Yeah! Let me see the trophy! Let me see the trophy! That is it! That is it! Outside! No doubt!
Got him. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Got him. Shore fishing. Woo! Yeah! Come here. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Haha. Got a string. Yeah. Snooky. Hey guys, this is what's up. Whoa! Fish on again, guys. We got him again. We got him again, guys. This is what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah? We got him, guys. This is what's up, guys. Let him run for a little bit. We hooked him, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what's up. Look at him, guys. Look at that beautiful fish, guys. Look at that, guys. We got him. Grab him. Take off the tip.
What you were saying about red stripe?
Fish on, guys. We got something on here. Jamaican shore fishing. Go off me water, my boy, like a gunshot.
Tailhead.
Coming to you. Oh, you just saw us again. You got 3 pounds. Get him up. Good. I can't even see him.
He's still deep. That line one.
He's trying to. There you go. It's a battle. Hold on, John. Alright, go on, careful. Watch yourself. Watch your hook, John. Alright. See what's up, guys. Making shore fishing. Looks promising because there's some dark spots there, guys. Ooh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on, guys. Woo! Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Nice jack, guys. Woo! Woo! Yeah, guys. Pretty jack, guys. There's 2 of them. Look. One is following. The next one's following, guys. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Look at this, guys. Your brother, you always call when me hook on for one big bumbuckler fishy, man. Now one fish on the line. Yeah. Fish on? What is that? Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on! Fish on! See, D? D? Look. You hook, buddy. Good fish. Woo-hoo. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Haha. Woohoo. Nice barra, guys. Haha. Here. Hey. Woo! Fish on, guys. Fish on already, guys. Look at that. The collar. Ha 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 ha. Snook this morning, guys. Look at that. Another one on. As I said it, guys, the line hit. The line hit as I called it. I said there's a barrel right around here someplace or something, and got my name on it. Yep, guys, big barrel. Get ya. Yeah, quick, cause you ain't hook good. Hook him. Ah, got him. Move.
Bring him in there, bring him in. Put it on.
Oh, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Fish on, guys. Jumping. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Aha. Yeah, guys. First hook on the morning. New lures. Barra. Hook him. Ah. Yeah. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Shara, come. Come, Shara. Shara, come on, Shara. Pressure on it, you know, Shara. Pressure on it, you know. Hold on, let me tighten up the drag a little bit. Yeah. Go on.
Joe, you can't video this on me, Joe?
I'm videoing it. Hold pressure on him, you know. Pump on one, Shara. Let you walk on in now, you that, you know. Bring him in, Shara. Keep pressure on it. Don't let our pressure off him, you know. No pressure to come off him. Shara got the people. Pressure, Shara. Come on, work, girl. That's what's up. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Shara's at it. Yeah, man. Something big just hook on the line for Shara line of wild people. He's bringing it in. This is what's up. That is it. Come on, Shara. Kill that bad boy. Yeah. That's what's up, people. That is a monster on this big lure, you know, people. One big purple lure we got on the thing, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Come on, Shara. Working, baby. Come on, working, baby. I know what's up, baby. Working, baby. That's what's up, girl. That's what's up. Work it.
I'm tired.
You know. Call it when you look at him. Look at the size. Come on, work it. Come on.
Video.
Video, come on. Come on, baby. Bring him in. Yeah, I'm getting, yeah. Bring him in. Come on. Wiley, don't let off pressure. Come on. Shara got this. I got 9% of battery left on this, people. I just want to get a glimpse of this. It's a big barrel. Get the gaff.
Watch it there.
Come on, Shara. Let me slide out of their way, guys. Let me slide out of the way. Hold on.
Don't lift him here.
Don't lift him. Let Yam gaff him. It's a big barrel. Come on, Shara. Ooh. Gaff him, Yam. Watch him. Yeah! Look at it. Gotcha. Watch the lure. Don't let him flash you with the lure. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Watch your leg, Yam. Watch your leg. Hold the rod for a second. Alright, just don't move. I got you. Go on, Yam. I got it. Slide over. I got it. Yeah, guys. Look at this. Big barrel. That's what's up. That is it on the big purple lure, guys. Yeah.